Today, I want to share the story of how I created my latest design. A cute European Shorthair cat sticker with a crisp white border, made in Canva. It's simple, playful, and exactly the kind of cozy aesthetic I love bringing to life. Once the design was finished, I exported it as a PDF, ready to be used across my shops. This project feels extra special because it marks a new chapter. After waiting 1 full year, I finally restarted my Etsy journey. Just today, I paid the reactivation fee of €89, and now I'm eagerly waiting for my shop to reopen. The moment it does, I'll be ready to roll out stickers, mugs, and shirts in bulk. I've prepared myself for this moment, and I can honestly say I love every part of the process. From the first spark of an idea to the design stage, to holding the final product in my hands, it's pure joy. Getting here wasn't always easy. My Epson XP-3105 printer had been sitting idle, but I managed to make it work again. That small victory gave me the confidence to keep pushing forward. It reminded me that persistence pays off, and that even technical hiccups can be overcome with patience and determination. Now I'm channeling all that energy into building a shop that feels warm, creative, and welcoming. Every sticker, every mug, every shirt is more than just a product. It's a piece of the journey I've been on. I waited a year to restart Etsy, and that waiting time only made me more motivated. So here I am, ready to create in bulk, ready to share my designs, and ready to celebrate this new beginning. I'll keep updating as soon as my shop is open. But for now, I'm proud of the progress I've made. This is the restart I've been dreaming of, and I'm excited to see where it leads.
Today, I want to share the story of creating my latest designate charming European Shorthair cat sticker featuring a crisp white border, crafted in Canva. This design embodies simplicity and playfulness, reflecting the cozy aesthetic I love. After careful consideration of colors and shapes, I finalized the design and exported it as a PDF, ready for use. It perfectly captures the warmth and whimsy I aim to convey in my work.